everybody, welcome to Rough Around the Edges with me, Sherry. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I have been asked to make something today, and I figured, well, might as well go ahead and make a video out of it and include you. It is having to do with this. Does anybody recognize?
I'm Flutter Shy.
This little horse? It's a My Little Pony. The My Little Ponies that I grew up with did not look like this. But apparently My Little Ponies are back and stronger than ever. They were a big deal when I was growing up too. My Little Ponies, Rainbow Bright, oh goodness, Barbie and the Rockers, Strawberry Shortcake. All these things that I grew up with are apparently as popular as ever. But what I've been asked to do, we're just diving right in here, is make something special. And I decided to make a coaster out of this sticker. I was given two in case I mess up on one. This one, I had to do a little research. It's called...
I'm Flutter Shy.
Flutter Shy? I hope I said that right. Flutter Shy My Little Pony. So I'm going to make a cute little coaster out of it. I think I'm just going to use UV resin. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this white edge or if I'm going to attempt to go in with a smaller pair of scissors and cut that out. But also I figured while I'm here doing this, I might just go ahead and use some of my fall stickers to make some magnets or pins, some kind of decor. I'm here anyway, right? This will be a fun and easy project if you want to try something new. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's just jump right in and go with it. Alright, first things first, I'm going to start cutting around this sticker. And like I just said, if I mess up, I was given two. But I would not, I really want to give that other one back. So I'm going to do my best not to mess up. Think I can do it? I sure hope so. Alright, let's cut.
We'll stay like this forever, right? Forever, right? Forever, right? We'll stay like this forever, right? Forever, right? Forever, right? No one else, just you and me. This love, it's all I see. We'll stay like this forever, right?
Okay, that, I didn't need it to be perfect because I think I'm going to put black for the background. But that, goodness, around these little curly areas, ooh, that was a bit of a challenge. I need a tinier pair of scissors. Do any of y'all know about this stuff? I know if you're a parent or a grandparent, your kids or grandkids might be into it. The anime and all these trendy things right now. I don't know too much about it. I do know this is a cute little horse, and apparently the little butterflies, can you see that? Oh, it's blocking it. On her hip are called cutie marks.
That my cutie mark is telling me.
Ask the kids, they know. They all know. Well, most of them anyway. Just want this to look nice, but goodness. Okay. I need to put on the grocery list the tiniest pair of little scissors I can find. Okay, first things first. UV resin. Check. Little mini UV light. Check. Black. Pigment dye. Pigment ink. Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud here. I've got it, so check. Putting you on pause for just a second. Check. Don't go anywhere. See in a little bit. Check. Okay, I've changed my mind. I've decided not to do the black. Instead, I am going to do this pretty sky blue. It's called Ocean. The company that made it is Recollections. And it matches with the inside of her cutie mark, as I think that's what they call the little marks on the My Little Pony hips. Put a little bit of this, mix it with some UV resin, and do a thin layer here. So let's do that. There we go. I'm kind of in a hurry because the event, the convention ends tomorrow. It's a 3-day event, and it's a big deal. I mean, because we have a huge convention center, and I don't know much about it, but it's a big deal. I just know that I'm happy to put this coaster together for this special individual. I'm happy that they trusted me to do it. I was given the 2 stickers, and you saw me cut around this one. So let's get this nicely mixed in here and get that bottom layer in the coaster. There we go. Set you on up there. Let's do this.
Everybody looking for the blue light, trying to find it, but they can't find it. Everybody trying to find a blue light. If you find it, let me know. I've been looking for it, yeah. I'm looking for the blue light.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, the stickers were brought to me because apparently this is the favorite of this special person.
I've been looking for my whole life, and if you find it, can you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I wanted y'all to see me unmold it, but I did it just like 3 seconds ago without thinking. Still a little soft. So I'm going to put my light back on it now that I've flipped it. And cure it a little more. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to take it to my sink and wash it gently with some soap. Okay, this is cured. And you ready to go on here, Shutterfly?
Flutter Shy!
I hope I got that right. I'll just call you My Little Pony. How about that? Then nobody can go wrong. Yeah, it is Shutterfly. Alright. There we go. Okay. Yeah, totally glad I didn't go black, because it would have darkened up the sticker. There we go. Alright. Cute. Now what I think I'm going to do is mix up some regular epoxy. I'm not going to, I like to use my UV for other things. And now that I've got that set, because I wanted 2 layers, I can go ahead and do this. Alright, let me get it mixed up, and we'll be right back. Right, Shutterfly?
I'm Flutter Shy.
Right. Alright, so here we are. I went ahead and just decided to use UV resin to coat the top, and I didn't film it because you just saw me make the bottom portion, but I am gonna do the rhinestones with you, but obviously in fast forward, because it's gonna take a little bit. So let's go. Send us into fast forward, all right, camera?
Sure thing.
Sunrise paints the sky so wide. Every moment by your side. Laughter echoes through the air. Joyful